you're still struggling with Coke and Fanta complexion on your face, is because you're missing the important step when it comes to choosing a face cream or a face moisturizer. In this video, I'll be showing you 6 face creams you can use on your face that will not give you Coke and Fanta complexion, and they will help to hydrate, moisturize your skin, give you a clear radiant complexion, and also help to clear dark spot, hyperpigmentation, and give you an even toned skin. Now, one thing you need to know is setting. Now, the moment you stop choosing a face cream for the wrong reasons, that moment you stop experiencing redness, stinking sensation on your face, burning, itching, damaged skin barrier when using your face cream. Now, the face cream I'm going to show you, they are mild on the face, they help to hydrate, give you a hydrated, moisturized face, and they will not cause any irritation on your face, yet giving you an even tone, clearing dark spot, hyperpigmentation, and making your face soft, glowy, and radiant. And if you want to get compliments about your face every time you step out, then these face creams are the face cream you should be choosing. These are the best face cream in 2025 you should be choosing. Now, when choosing a face lightening cream, especially, please, you want to go for face creams that are very mild. You don't want to go and use any harsh face cream on your face, because the moment you're using harsh face cream on your face, that's the problem. That's the moment you start experiencing itchiness, burning, redness on your face, and damaged skin barrier. The first face cream I'll be talking about is Snapchat face cream. Now, here is a before and after picture of when I was using Snapchat. My face was very dull. I was having hyperpigmentation on my face, dark spots, like it wasn't giving. But the moment I started using Snapchat face cream, in less than 2 weeks, I started experiencing the brightening effect. Then in 1 month, it started clearing my dark spot and hyperpigmentation. Now, Snapchat face cream is not like a quick lightning face cream, but it's very mild and helps to lighten your face. This contains glutathione, vitamin C in moderate form that are not very harsh on your skin. It also have essential oils that help to hydrate and give you a moisturized skin as well. Now, one thing I love about this face cream is that it also have slime essence in it, like a snail mucin, that helps to give you that really hydrated skin. You're buying the original Snapchat face cream, it always have this slimy texture, right? You see it's having a slimy texture in it. Let me show you what I mean. This is it. It's actually very slimy, right? Yes, this is it. Now, one thing you also need to know, Snapchat face cream is very mild on this face, yet give you a delivered result when it comes to lightening of your face, when it comes to hydration of my face. Now, this was how I was looking when I was using Snapchat face cream, and this was my before picture before using Snapchat face cream. Now, that's to show you that face cream worked effectively on my face. It helps to get rid of dark spot, hyperpigmentation, and that face cream also helped to lighten my face in a gradual and a mild way. One thing about this video is that I'm going to give you the advantage of the face cream and also the disadvantage. That's the personal one I've used. I've gotten the experience, right? Now, this one I've used it, right? It was good on my face, and you could see the before and after effect. The only thing, the downside about this face cream is that later on when I stopped using it, I noticed that my face was darker. Do you understand? The hyperpigmentation, like, it became worse. That's the only thing I noticed. But if you continue maintaining the face cream and using it, maybe you use it for some time and leave it for some time, I believe that your skin will still be okay. It's very mild, effective, gentle, and yet deliver results. Now, the second face cream I'll be talking about is baby face cream. Now, this baby face cream, this is the dark one. I want you, when you want to go and get the dark one. Now, if you there's one thing common about all this face cream I'm showing you: they contain anti-aging benefits, right? They have anti-aging ingredient that gives you that anti-aging benefit. Even when you are lightening, right, you want to always use something that have anti-aging in it. Do you understand? Reason is because you don't want it to wrinkle your face, or you want it to always help with wrinkle and also help to firm your skin, because most lightening products that are very harsh on the skin, they also promote aging. Do you understand? So you getting the one that helps with anti-aging is an added advantage for you. Now, this particular one is the dark one. If you're going for baby face, please go for the dark one if you want one that have the anti-aging benefit. Now, this one has retinol in it. It also have ginseng in it that helps to give you that anti-aging benefit while lightening your face. It also have lightening ingredient that helps to get rid of dark spot, hyperpigmentation on your face. The best way to use all these face cream is to use them 3 times in a week. Don't overuse them. Do you understand? So that you don't get irritation, redness on your face. And if you're experiencing redness already, please don't use any of this face cream. Just keep. Now, the third moisturizer I'll be talking about, a face cream, is this Nivea Soft. Now, this Nivea Soft is not a lightening product, not at all. right? It doesn't lighten. But one thing I love this product is that it's very, very moisturizing. Very, very moisturizing. It keeps your skin moisturized for 24 hours. Do you understand? But one thing again you want to avoid when using this particular moisturizer is that if you're acne prone, please don't near it. Do you understand? It can easily clog your pore. But some people are still acne prone, yet they use this moisturizer, it will still good on them. So it's just something of luck. And if you have a very sensitive face, you're prone to like irritation, redness, this is one thing you want to be incorporating in your routine. The only thing you can do if you don't want it to darken your face, use it with a face serum that has niacinamide in it, right? It can just help to like give you that brightening effect without causing any darkening on your face. That means if you're scared of getting darker while using this particular product, and if you're someone that have bleached your face is damaged, you're suffering from redness and broken skin barrier, this is a product you want to go for. Why? Because it helps to give you that, it helps to repair your skin barrier and also promote healing on your skin as well. Nivea Soft is also an affordable moisturizer that doesn't cost you so much but really, really works well for the price. Another thing you need to know is that when clearing dark spot on your face, you don't just want to start using lightening product on your face. You always want to use moisturizers as well. So you can even still be using Snapchat or the baby face moisturizer, and also be using your Nivea Soft during the daytime. Reason is because the more moisturized, the more hydrated your skin is, your dark spot will not be long on your face. It will clear. Now, the third face cream is Clear Nature Gold face cream I'll be talking about. Now, another thing I want you to know is that when buying a face moisturizer, buy moisturizer according to your skin type. Even if you want to tone your skin, even if you want to lighten to a shade, use moisturizers according to your skin type that are compatible to your skin type and your skin tone. Don't go and overdo it using harsh product. That's when using harsh face creams that are not compatible to your skin, or they are not for your skin type. That's when you start getting acne, irritation on your face, redness, burning sensations, stinking and burning, and damaged skin barrier as well. So these are things you want to avoid. Clear Nature face cream is a very good face cream that helps to lighten your face and get rid of dark spots on your face. Now, this particular face cream helps with anti-aging as well. You can see that all this face cream follow a pattern of anti-aging, and I intentionally did this because if you want to get a face cream, especially when you're 30 years and above, you want to start looking into face cream because you're losing collagen every year. So you want to see how much you can stimulate collagen in your skin. This particular face cream contains kojic acid for dark spots. It has lactic acid that helps to give you that hydration and also helps to get rid of hyperpigmentation, on your face. It also helps with dry skin. If you're someone that's struggling with dry skin, this is a face cream you want to incorporate. Just like Nivea Soft. Nivea Soft also is very good for dry skin as well because it helps to hydrate your skin. And the Clear Nature face cream also have retinol in it that also helps to stimulate collagen and helps you with anti-aging. So your dark spot will really leave your face really, really fast, and yet you're getting anti-aging benefit. And this particular face cream can actually go for almost all skin type because it doesn't really like give you that bleaching effect. It just have to correct dark marks on your face and also even out your skin tone. Even if you're caramel skin, you can use. If you're light skin, you can use. But I would not advise a dark person to use it so that you will not alter your complexion. Now, all of these face cream I just showed you, there are some that are not compatible to oily skin, like the Nivea Soft is not compatible to oily skin unless you're lucky using it and it will not clog your pore or break you out. Even Snapchat face cream, if you're oily skin, I will not suggest you go for it, right? Keep. Do you understand? So if you're dry skin, your combination skin, you can go for Snapchat face cream. It's quite good. Next face cream I'll be talking about is this Glutathione face cream. Now, you see this Glutathione face cream, personally I've used it as well. Now, this is my review about it, and this is what I will tell you when using this particular product and the result you're expected to get. This particular face cream contains glutathione, it contains alpha-butane, kojic acid, it also has soy proteins and also moisturizing ingredient that helps to give your skin that moisture it needs. And this particular face cream helps to get rid of dark spots. This particular face cream is actually made for dark spots. Do you understand? And if you want to brighten your face, you want to lighten up to a shade, this is a particular face cream you want to go for. It's quite mild on the skin, right? Because of the soy protein and the peptide it contains. It's very, very soothing to the skin, so it doesn't like cause irritation. It's on rare cases you get irritation using this face cream. unless you abuse it. Another thing you need to take note is that when using your face moisturizers, don't use too much. The moment you start using too much moisturizers on your face, that's when you tend to get irritation on your face. You start getting clogged pores, acne, and all that, because you're using way too much on your skin and your skin is not functioning properly. And another thing you need to note is that before using any face cream that will brighten you or tone up your skin, make sure you're having a healthy skin barrier so that it will work well on your skin. If not so, it will not be working well. And another thing is that when using your moisturizers on your face, do not rub, rather just tap it in on your face so that it will not clog your pore. So that's the best way to use face moisturizer. Just a pea-sized amount is enough. Now this particular face cream as well is also good, like your face is dull, your face is different colors, you want it to be even tone, this is a particular face cream you want to go for. Actually, even if you're acne prone and you're no longer having acne on your face, it's just dark spot, you can actually use this face cream, right? Because I'm acne prone, I've used this face cream and it was okay on me. Even Snapchat, I'm acne prone, I've used it because I know the best way on how to use it. That's why it did not clog my pore or lead to acne when I used it. Do you understand? But if you know you don't know the best way on how to use, just skip. But if you're acne prone, make sure if you want to use any of these face creams, make sure you're no longer breaking out. It's just dark spots you want to clear. You can use them and they will help you to get rid of your dark spot without even causing acne on your face. Now I'm going to talk about, it was in my other video, I'm going to make a video to talk about supplements you need to be taking when you're acne prone, so that when you're using all these products, they will work well for you. Because acne issue is more of inside and outside, not just even outside. Do you understand? Because the matter the product you use, if you're not treating it internally, it's on rare cases you're going to get results while using all this product. And the next face cream I'm going to talk about is the Carrot Magic exclusive face cream. Now that face cream, I love that face cream because it's mild on the face. It's a lightning face cream, but very mild on the face. Like even if you have a sensitive face, you can use it. You see all these face creams, they are quite mild and you can use them even if you have a very sensitive face, right? They will not cause problem for you, they will not cause redness for you. That's if you're using them correctly, you do not abuse them. Now this Carrot Magic face cream has glutathione, kojic acid in it, hyaluronic acid in it, and as well carrot oil that helps to give you that light complexion you want, even out your skin tone, and helps to correct dark spots. Like it works for dark spots and hyperpigmentation on the face. If you're having melasma, you can actually use it as well. It works well for it too. Most of these products, even baby face I talked about the other time, also work for melasma. It's very good for melasma because of the retinol and ginseng in it. Now this particular Carrot Magic face cream is a very good face cream for caramel skin and even lighten and even light complexion. If your caramel skin, you want to tone up a bit, you can actually still use the face cream. It will give you the desired results you need. The only thing is that do not use it every day. Do you understand? If you're using it for treatment, use it for treatment and stop. Just get a normal serum and a moisturizer like Nivea Soft and maintain your results. Especially if you're caramel skin, you don't want to tone up, you don't want to like lighten up. Do you understand? Just use it for the sole purpose of treating it. You mustn't even use it all over your face. Use it on the areas you have dark spot. It works even really well like that. It even works really well like that. It will clear your dark spots on your face. I want you to put in mind is this: make sure you're not using it with any harsh product. Do you understand? The ones that are lightening and the ones that can help tone up your skin. Because the moment you start using it with a harsh serum or a harsh soap, that's when you start getting problem. Do you understand? Most of this face wash, you just use it with a mild face wash. Do you understand? To tone up your complexion, unless it's a mild soap. Do you understand? And you just want to get like you want to lighten even more, you can still use a soap, but a very mild soap. It will not cause irritation on your face. Using Nivea Soft, when you're using Nivea Soft and you feel like it's going to darken your face, you can actually use it with a serum, as I said earlier on, or use it with a brightening soap like a glutathione soap. It helps to balance your face and give you that brightening effect without getting dark. Especially if you're caramel too, you want to tone up your skin, you want to polish your skin. Do you understand? These are the best ways on how to use your face creams to get effective results. If you're still here at the stand, that means you find this video very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, also share this video.